Good morning. Let's see. Like, comment, subscribe. I've never said that before, but I think I'm supposed to. Good morning. It has been a long time since we've done a plant video. So remember when I did the succulent video? That was like my second video, I think. This is the pot. And what's in it? What's in it, you ask? Not succulents that were in it before. I have since discovered that some succulents need a little bit more water than others. And so just going by that, 3-week rule or whatever it is, didn't really work for all of those. I put them all in little terracotta pots, individual pots, so that I could get to know them individually. See what they like, what they need. Some of these can go a very long time with no water. This one has been the easiest, never withered or anything. That one is good with very little water. This one is good with little water. And I'm gonna put all of those in a glass bowl that I have. This is my blue chalk sticks. Oh, she's my favorite. So this is the one that I've learned the most about. She needs a little bit more attention. So it's in succulent soil. It's in a terracotta pot, which is very porous and allows the soil to dry out a little quicker. And so I could literally water this every week. She's very dramatic. She gets all wrinkly and wilted over when she needs water. And then yesterday, I just kind of drenched this soil. And look at her today. Strong, beautiful, thick leaves. I guess that's what they're called, leaves. And she's looking good again. So what I would like to do is get more blue chalk sticks and maybe put like 4 or 5, well, 5, I'm gonna do odd numbers, 3 to 5 in a larger pot. I think that would be pretty together. And so today, I'm going to be repotting a string of pearls. When I did the succulent video, that was all about getting the new string of pearls. And this is what is left. I got one pearl. And it just refuses to die. It just keeps hanging on, staying green. And I thought it would propagate just like all of the others, but turns out you need the string to propagate. You just will not do anything with one pearl. So yesterday I went to Pike and I got a whole string of pearls. I'm going to repot and put into a very pretty cement planter. So let's get started. Found this at a thrift store. I thought it'd be good for planting, and that's probably what was in it. Anyway, and I thought that I would put all of the succulents that require very little water from me in here. it. I'm so uncomfortable on this pillow.